Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I'm going to show you how can we predict the next candlestick by using the candlestick psychology. So here, if I analyze the market, can I go here with the buyers or sellers? No, I will not take my trade here. Why? Because you can see market is now ranging market here. Market is moving right now in this zone. So therefore I cannot trust this area, this market. So now you can see I cannot trust this zone. So now what I am seeing here is very simple, that right now the sellers are totally in control after this candlestick. So after this candlestick, can I go here with the sellers? So my answer is yes, we can go easily with the sellers. So therefore I took my trade in a down direction. Why? So this candle is a sign of continuation in a downtrend, and now you can see from this zone I am seeing a strong rejection. So therefore I took my trade here in the downwards move. So you will see we will definitely win this trade. Again, let me show you the reasons. The trend is a downtrend, and here you saw a strong rejection from the sellers. So it means that sellers are fully in control, so therefore the market is going down from this zone. So let's see what happens here. I'm going to take another trade after this one. Okay, now you can see market is going down. So this was my first trade and we will definitely win this trade. Okay, so I won my trade here. Okay, so I need to check this area. Okay, so here, can I go here with the buyers or sellers? No. For me this candle is a indecision candle right now, because after a reversal of this level still I am seeing a buyers, but buyers are not strong, so therefore I cannot go here with the buyers. I will not take an up trade here, although I am seeing a buyer's entry. So after this candlestick I am going to take my trade and I will decide whether to go with the buyers or sellers. So let's see what happens after this candlestick. So this running candle is showing us that the buyers are entering into the market and they are in control. Okay, now you can see the buyers are trying to get in the market, but now sellers are rejecting. Again buyers are entering. Now sellers are entering into the market. Can I go here with the sellers? Yes, I can go here with the sellers now. Why? Because you can see here this movement is now confirmed, and from this point we will see a seller's entry. So now you can see this candle is known as a momentum candle also. So therefore the next candle will go down and it will close as a bearish for sure. You will see. Okay, so now you can see market will definitely close as a bearish. There is no chance for this candlestick to go and close as a bullish. I have analyzed each and everything, so therefore you can see market is going down point and we are winning our trade here. Now you can see I won my trade. Okay, so let me analyze another market here. So now what I'm seeing here is not proper trend, it is just a momentum, so I cannot go here with this one. So in euro USD I need to check the market here. Okay, now you can see here market is kind of ranging market. So now you can see I cannot trust this area, so therefore I am allowing this candle to go and move in a downwards direction. So now if I need to check the level here from this point to this point, I am not seeing any kind of level. So this is my level, next level. So I can go here with the buyers. So if the candle goes up, I can go here with the sellers. Okay, now I took my trade in a down direction. Why? Let me show you the reasons. It is very much visible again that the market is trying to fulfill this gap, and this candle is an engulfing candle, and this candle is still having a gap. So because of this gap I took my trade in a down direction. So we will definitely win one trade here. Now you can see market is going up from this point, but it will get a rejection because I have checked all the levels. So therefore I am confident that the next candle will definitely go down from this zone. Okay, so now you can see market is going down and it will close below our entry point. So I won my this trade also. So now you can see I took almost, I think, 4 trades and I won each and every one of them. So why I took my trade here, again you can see I checked in front of you all that the next level is here. So you can see after zooming the situation, I'm seeing here a gap. So because of this gap, sellers entered and we got our winning trade. Okay, so now after this candlestick I went with the sellers. This is a inverted hammer continuation sign, and if I want to show you here one thing, this candle made a new low. So because of this seller's rejection I took my trade, and the next level was, let me show you where was the next level. The next expected level was here. Now you can see, let me show you, this is the level. So now you can see market exactly reversed from that zone. This is the level and now this is the level. So this resistance acted as a support here, so therefore the next candle is going up from this zone, and still the market is going up. So because of this gap I took my trade and I won my trade here. Okay, so let me show you my this trade. Now you can see here how perfect my levels are. This was the area. Okay, so now you can see here, let me show you, I took my trade here with this minor gap and I knew the candle will definitely fulfill the gap here. So what I saw here because of this level there was a gap, so because of this gap from this point I am seeing a buyer's entry, and because of this gap I knew this engulf will work here, because you can see this candle engulfed this candle, so therefore the next market movement went down. So now you can see exactly from that area we are seeing a buyer's entry. So it means that our levels are perfect, our analysis are perfect, and we are getting the proper information from the market. So now this triangle worked here. Why? Because the market move was like this, so therefore we are winning our trades. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment, and if you want me to take another trade, if the candle goes down I can easily take another trade for you all. Okay, now I can go here with the buyers. So I clicked here when this candle changed its color, so I took my trade here, and now you can see this is a momentum candle, and momentum candle means that 98% of the time the momentum candle will also give you a winning trade. So it will also give you a winning trade, and let me show you what I analyzed here. You can see here, if I draw a level here, so the candle closed exactly in this zone, but you can see this was the level and the candle closed exactly in the level. But you need to analyze one thing, market reverse in the middle of the trend. Now this candle is weak, but this candle is much stronger, so I can expect here a buyer's entry. So therefore I took my trade and now you can see I won my trade here. So after this candlestick I can expect here a head and shoulder move. Now you can see I can expect here a move like this, so it will act as a head and shoulder. So now you can see market is giving us the same situation here. So now let's analyze the market again. Okay, I need one other candle to be closed here in between these two lines, where I need this candle to be closed here in this line. So if it closes here, this is your confirm head and shoulder pattern. So it will work like this. So now you can see I need this candle to be closed here if I want to go here with the head and shoulder pattern. Now I'm waiting for the good situation here. Okay, in Euro USD I'm going to take another trade. So now the situation for head and shoulder is totally confirmed. Why? This is the head and this is the left shoulder and this is the right shoulder right now, which is forming. So if the candle closes here, I can easily go here with the sellers. Okay, so now I cannot go here with the sellers. Why? This head and shoulder will not work here properly. So if you think I want to go here with, then I want to check the 5 second. So I need a good entry point to go here with the sellers, otherwise I cannot take this trade because this candle crossed the level. So you will see, as I told you, that head and shoulder pattern is forming right now. So market is forming that pattern, and you can see market is giving you here another ITM if you take your trade, but the exact and classic entry point was this. If this candle close itself here, whenever this candle closes itself here, so you can easily take your trade in a down direction. So now you can see, let me show you. So this is the head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Bye for now, stay blessed you all.